Extra, extra, read all about it. What's up today? Extra, extra, give me an update. It's What's Up Wednesday.
In our news nugget today, we will take a look at what the Pope has been up to and his messages in the past week. We start with a meeting between the Vatican and the Society of St. Pius X. The meeting last weekend was described as cordial with an aim of progress toward ending a quarter-century schism. Pope Francis had wanted a private and informal meeting without the formality of an official audience. The SSPX, which objects to Vatican II teachings on religious liberty and ecumenism and insists on the celebration of the Tridentine Mass, broke with the Holy See in 1988, and the late Archbishop Marcel Lefebvre ordained 4 bishops without Vatican approval, incurring the penalty of excommunication. Earlier on Monday, Pope Francis marked the Feast of the Annunciation by reflecting on the power of Mary's yes to God. The Holy Father says, through Mary's affirmation, God becomes one of us and takes on our flesh. It is God's yes that sanctifies us and keeps us alive in Jesus Christ. He encouraged each person in the congregation to reflect on whether he or she says yes or no to God. On Sunday, Pope Francis called for a special collection to be taken up in all Catholic churches in Europe to aid relief for all suffering due to ongoing violence in Ukraine. The pontiff pointed to the thousands who have either died or continue to suffer due to a serious humanitarian crisis in the conflict areas. Additionally, the Pope noted that so far more than 1 million people had been forced to leave their homes due to the severity of the situation, the majority of whom are elderly and children. On the Vigil of Divine Mercy Sunday, Pope Francis emphasized that receiving God's mercy ignites in us the drive to become instruments of mercy, especially to the weakest and the marginalized. He added, the more we receive, the more we are called to share it with others. It cannot be kept hidden or kept only for ourselves. And we wrap up with a story from the Singapore Catholic News about an 8-year-old that got to meet the Pope because of her question, Dear Pope Francis, why do you need that tall hat? Faith Ng was one of 14 kids who had their questions selected for the Pope's book project titled Dear Pope Francis. That earned her an audience with the Holy Father earlier this year. You can read more on catholicnews.sg. Also visit catholicnewsagency.com and heraldmalaysia.com for more news and updates in the Catholic Church. This news nugget is brought to you by Redeemed for Worship.
Extra, extra, read all about it. What's up today? Extra, extra, give me an update. It's What's Up Wednesday.
Created using Powtoon.